So Gumroad rolled out this new feature where you can create custom landing pages for your lead magnets or your products using Gumroad, and I'm going to show you how to create minimalist landing pages like these using Claude. And as you can see, for my lead magnet, these are the conversion rate, which varies from 20% to around 30 to 50% as well. So without any further talking, let's get right into the video. Okay, so here I am on one of my products. Here you can see that this is a default Gumroad page. And this is the Ikigai Claude skills. So it's a lead magnet and I'm just selling it out there. Here is a basic bio. Here you have a click to action button. Now I'm going to take you to a custom landing page that I designed for a similar lead magnet. And here is a custom landing page that I personally designed using Claude. You don't have to have any coding skills. Here you can see if I scroll down, it has a what's inside section, 18 categories, a CTA, which is going to redirect me to this. And here I can add in $0, I can add in $15. And if I don't add anything and hit enter, it's going to prompt me to actually enter a price. Let's enter 20 for now. If I hit on instant access here, it's going to redirect me to Gumroad page with the entered amount here. And I can add tips, I can add my details, and I can pay it as well. Now that you've seen the custom landing page, I will take you through the entire process of how to create a landing page like this. So to create your landing page, you have to come to products, click on one of the products that you want to create a landing page for. Then you're going to come to share, and obviously you're not going to see this on the right hand side because you don't have a website yet. Here you're going to come down to landing pages, and here you can see that you can replace your default product page with a custom landing page. And all you have to do is click on the share show prompt. You're going to copy this prompt, head over to Claude and paste it right there. So here I've opened Claude and I've come to the Claude code section. If you do not have a pro subscription or you do not have access to Claude code, that's completely fine. You can do it with the normal chat as well. Here I'm going to use Claude code and I'm going to paste the exact prompt that we copied and I'm going to hit enter. This prompt contains every single detail that is required by Claude to actually know how to use Gumroad and how to use the features. So when you actually click the call to action button, it's going to redirect you to the Gumroad checkout page, and there you can continue with the payment transactions. So here, as you can see, it's going to list all your products to find the product that you want your landing page for. Okay, as you can see, Claude has generated the website for us. Here you can see a small preview of it. Let's actually go to the link that it suggested us to go. And here we can see the website. And as you can see, it's amazing. Here we have the thumbnail for the tracker, and you can see it's kind of animated and it's floating. Here there's a title for who you are. It has an amber and a dark theme mode. The only difference and the changes that I have to make is this icon right here isn't displaying that well, which is what we're going to fix soon. Here it has categories as well, the CTA, and here you can see that it already taken in how many people have actually gotten the product, and it has just added it here. And here you can see the 33 quests. Here it has like 11. It's just giving a preview of the product and how it works. Print it, pin it somewhere, start with any 3, which is absolutely great. You already know which quest to start with. And here it has a CTA as well, which is going to redirect you to this part of the page. And let's actually enter 0 and see if it actually redirects. So I'm going to hit start the quests, and yes, it works. It goes to the transaction page, and here obviously I'm going to remove this one because that was from the old section. And yeah, everything works. Now that the website is actually designed, it's not yet published, but before publishing the actual website, I just want to give you a side disclaimer. Maybe when you do this, you might not get a landing page as good as this. So what you could do is go to the link in the description. I've added the product page for my previous landing page with the blue one. I'm just going to show it right here. For this product, I've added the link. Just screenshot this product page and give it to Claude and be like, this is the reference image. I want you to design the UI of the website just like this one. And it's going to design something like this. You obviously have to iterate, maybe add few things, like just as I showed, the profile page isn't showing. So you can just add a profile picture. Here, if you want any other changes, you can prompt it as well. So once you have everything ready, we are ready to publish the website. And Claude has suggested us that we have to copy this exact prompt and put it in our terminal. So let's see exactly how to do that. So I'm going to open my terminal and I'm just going to copy this prompt, open the terminal, and I'm going to paste it right here. click on enter, and let's see what it does. Okay, so here we can see that it's actually successful, and let's verify this by going to Gumroad, and then I'm going to head over to my product, and if I click on this, it should open the custom website, and yes, it does work. Let's see if all of the buttons work as well, how it works. Get it. Okay, perfect. Everything works. Website looks amazing, and we did all of this just in under 10 minutes without having any coding experience. Now, if you faced an issue while publishing your landing page, if it says something like Gumroad CLI isn't recognized or some other feature isn't recognized, it means your Gumroad CLI is not set up on your desktop. So if you haven't set this up, you need to follow a few steps that I'm going to show you. Firstly, you're going to come down to this Gumroad repository that is published by Gumroad itself, and I'll provide the link in the description as well. Click on it, come to this website, and here you can search for Windows, and here you're going to search for AMD 64, and you're going to click on this, and it's going to download for us. So once you have this CLI installed, we're going to use this to actually set it up. From now on, it's going to get a little more technical, but don't worry, I'll keep it as simple as I possibly can. So what you have to do now is go to your file explorer, click on the file that you just downloaded, copy these two files. So I'm going to hit Ctrl C. I'm going to come to this PC, go to C, and on here, I'm going to create a new folder called as Gumroad. And in that new folder, I'm going to paste the two files that I just copied. Now what you have to do is click on your search bar, search for system variables right here, come down to environment variables, come down to system right here. Here you can search for path right here, click on edit, scroll down, click on new, and type this exact thing that I have typed right here. So you can clearly see it. I'm going to type it again. It's C:\Gumroad. So that is what you have to put in right here. Since I've already done it, I'm not going to do it again. Once you have this ready, click OK, OK, and apply. Now the difficult part is done. All you have to do now is open PowerShell, Windows PowerShell right here. So once I open PowerShell, okay, now I just have to type cd and put the file path that I recently just put. So it's going to be / with Gumroad, and I'm going to hit enter. It's going to open the Gumroad folder, and then I'm going to type in Gumroad auth login -- web. Make sure this is the exact command line prompt and click on enter. This is going to redirect to Gumroad, so you can actually give permission for your terminal to access all the Gumroad data. So I'm going to hit on authorize, and here you can see authorization completed. And if you come back to your terminal, you're going to see this logged in as Purav Bolar, which is my account that I use Gumroad in. And now that all of the process is done, you can copy the link that Claude provided you and paste it in your terminal, and it's going to help you publish the website. As you can see here, I pasted it on the terminal and it has published. So let me actually scroll on top, and here you can see it says success as true, which means it was successful and it has published your website. So that was it for this video on in-depth tutorial on how to create your own landing pages. If you have any other questions or any other updates that you have, you can put them down in the comments below, and I would be glad to make a separate video on it. And if you have a product lying around and you're struggling to make your first sale, you can click this video and watch it. I talk in detail about how I went from zero to making over $1,000 a month. So you can click this and watch this video, and until then, I'll see you in the next one.